SEO is where we really shine, specifically local SEO. So that means if you are trying to reach people located near your business, like physically on a map located near your business, that is our bread and butter. So a big part of that is Google My Business. If you're not familiar with Google My Business, that is how you get in the map pack, how people can leave you Google reviews on Google Maps. So that's obviously very important. One thing I think a lot of average business owners do not really comprehend about SEO is it is not all about your website itself. Yes, a lot of SEO work does take place on your website itself, but a lot of it takes place off your website on other websites. So there's on-site SEO, there's off-site SEO, and there's technical SEO. So the on-site SEO is kind of what you can see on the screen. The technical SEO is more code edits that we've added to your website files so the search engines can pick those up. And sometimes you can see that stuff on the front end of the screen, but most of the time it's just for the search engines so they have a better understanding of when to appropriately rank your website. And then off-site SEO involves building out your key citations and stuff like that. So that could be social media accounts. They're not exactly the same as citation or directory listings, but they are both beneficial for your SEO. And then you may have heard of the almighty term backlink. And yes, backlinks do still matter and will probably always matter, and they're one of the hardest things to get. So we can help you navigate through all the different aspects of SEO and make sure the search engine, specifically Google, knows exactly when to be putting your website towards the top of those results to offer the best possible option to the person searching for that specific query. And yes, there's a lot that goes into it. So if you'd like to talk about it, if you have some questions about SEO, please feel free to call me or complete the form or anything, just any way you'd like to get in touch with me. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. And if you'd like to hop on an SEO plan with us, we will get started right away. Thanks a lot.